Today I am with Sanjeev Gupta, well-known taxonomy enthusiast from Billawar, and we are in the village Dungada, very near to Vintar in Billawar, and we are amazed to see a unique Lauraceae family tree. The local name for the tree is Khadambu, having a little bit mango leaf-like structure of the leaves. So with ambu means arm like, but Khadambu is the local name for the tree, which stands identified as Persea gamblei, also sometimes named as Persea bombicina, sometimes kept under subgenus Machylus as Machylus gamblei or Machylus bombicina. This unique tree has been found only in the Billawar Forest Division at the village Dungada. The tree is unique, tall tree with slender branchlets. Leaves are typically dark green but elliptic lanceolate. Whereas in the oak rhododendron forest Persea tree, which we usually see in Bofleas, Deraki Gully, Bhund forest, Bunny forest, and even in Trikota hills, that is Persea dathii, where the leaves are longer. They reach up to 20 centimeter in length. But here, the Persea gamblei, the leaves hardly exceed 12 centimeter in length. So usually 5 to 12 centimeter length is the normal feature in this tree, Persea bombicina or Machylus bombicina or Persea gamblei or Machylus gamblei. The tree was first reported by Sanjeev Gupta ji 2 years back, but the exact identity of the species eluded us. We could not reach any conclusion whether it is Odoratisma, whether it is Litsia, whether it is Persea. But on closer examination today, we have seen that tree is Persea gamblei, which is also found in northeastern Himalayas, especially the Assam, where the leaves are fed to Assamese Muga silkworm, Anthraea assamensis, for rearing the insect to get that silk, Muga silk. This particular tree is usually cultivated also, and its leaves are also harvested. It has on its when we crush the leaves, a pleasant smell comes out of the leaves. So it is a Lauraceae. Leaves are alternate, and the veins are sidewise. So there is a single midrib and about 8 to 10 side veins, whereas in case of Persea dathii, then pairs of veins exceeds 12 pairs. That goes even up to 15, 18 pairs of side veins. But here, as the leaf size is small, so even pair number of veins is also less in comparison to Persea dathii. Persea dathii found in temperate forests is locally known as Chandra in Dogri, whereas this particular low altitude and a tree which grows along swampy localities, wet situations, Persea gamblei or Machylus gamblei or Persea bombicina or Machylus bombicina is low altitude, and this has been reported for the first time only from the Dungada village in Billawar Forest Division. So this unique tree is also found in Uttarakhand. In Uttarakhand, the tree's vernacular name is Kaula, which is the same name even for other Persea species, Persea dathii or Machylus, another species, Machylus macarantha. So same name Kaula is used for Persea gamblei. This is also found in Dehradun. And in northeastern region of India, it is called as Som. And the tree's pleasant smell has a diagnostic feature. Whenever we come across this tree, we can see its elliptic lanceolate leaves, which are uniquely glaucous beneath, and the fruit is globular. It is round, it is not ellipsoid, and it does not exceed the 1 centimeter. It is always smaller than 1 centimeter across, and it is round and black in color. Whereas in the mountain species, that Persea dathii, the fruit is ellipsoid, oblong, and moreover it exceeds 1 centimeter. It is about 1.5 centimeter or even up to 2 centimeter long fruit in Persea dathii. But in Persea bombycina, a fruit is hardly exceeds 1 centimeter. It is always less than 1 centimeter, and it is supported by the persistent calyx. Another unique thing about this particular tree is the local name Khadambu. It means it is known to the local people, but the forest team accompanying me could not recognize the tree and had no knowledge. This reflects we should always respect the people's knowledge or traditional knowledge where they are connected to the tree, whereas sometimes the even forest officers have to seek the guidance of the locals to find the tree and to understand which particular tree species this is. So the biodiversity management committee in the region should also take note of this rare tree, and I would like to advise the social forestry department and forest department to try its cuttings and raise its saplings in the forest nursery, so that this unique tree, which is found only in the Dungada village of Billawar Forest Division, can be multiplied. The flowers are typically yellowish green. They are in lax panicles. Perianth is 6 lobes. They are arranged in 2 series. Stamens are typically 9, and they are arranged in 3 series, 3 plus 3 plus 3. And perianth lobes inside are pubescent. They are villous. They are hairy. This is the unique character of Persea bombycina.